Hi guys, it's Grant here with Collectiv, and today I'm going to show you how you can automate boring Excel tasks using Power Query. Let's get started. So if you work with data on a regular basis for your job, you probably spend a decent chunk of your time gathering and transforming data to get it into a usable format to be able to gather insights from. This can become very tedious, especially if you are still using Excel and doing everything based on formulas. And so today I'm going to give you a simpler, more efficient solution to do all these data transformations. Let's get started. So here we have a very simple sales table with order date, salesperson, region, order ID, category, and value. So the data right here is in an unpivoted format, and this will need to be changed because we need to apply the discount percentage to the sales dollars, the sales amount of the sale. And then as you can see here, there are some misspellings with city names, and these can be easily fixed in Power Query. We will turn this into a table real quick, and then we will go up to the data tab, which is the tab that houses all of the Power Query ways to get data and all the transformation services. We will do from table and range. However, you can do from workbook or from folder and combine files. So when we get into Power Query, we can see that it automatically turned the order date column into a date time type. We want it just in the date type, so we will go up here and then click date, replace current, and it'll change it back to how it was before. And on the side here, in applied steps, every change that you make to the data is laid out here in an easy step-by-step format that allows for easier troubleshooting and keeping track of any transformations you have made thus far. One of the first transformations we will make is we want salesperson, the column name, to be 2 words. We'll just double click the column and then put that space in there. And as you can see, it inserted the step renamed columns. Next, we don't need the prefix and the first name for salesperson. We only need the last name. To start, we will go to transform, extract, after delimiter. We will open the advanced options. We will enter space as the delimiter, and we will skip one delimiter to make sure that it does not take the first name and the last name, but just the last name. We'll click OK. And then we just have the last names here for salesperson. Okay, now that that's fixed, we will look at region. As you can see, Sacramento and Miami are misspelled. This happens very often in data. It can be tedious to fix manually using Excel and formulas. So to fix these quickly and easily, we'll go to replace values, take this, copy it down, and just switch these letters around. And then we will do the same for Miami. The next thing we need to do is change this unpivoted data into a pivoted format. To do that, we will go click on category, go up here to transform, click pivot column. Now we need to select the value column. And now it has split discount percentage, sales units, and sales dollars into their own columns. To be able to get the discount amount for the sale, we will take the discount column multiplied by the sales dollar column. An easy way to do this is go to add column, custom column. We'll call this discount amount. We'll click discount percent times sales dollars. And here we have the discount amount for each sale. To change the type, we'll go up here and we'll do currency. We'll do this for the sales column as well. And then we will go over discount percentage and change this to percent type. Another common field that specifically the sales area likes to see is AUR, or average unit retail, to see how much an item is typically selling for on a day-to-day basis based off of different promotions and price points the store might have. To do this, we will simply divide the sales dollars column by the sales units. Go up here, custom column. We will take sales dollars divided by sales units. Click OK. And here we have the AUR with way too many trailing decimal spaces. To fix that, we will go up here, change it to currency, and now we only have two, how it should be. To make sure all of these changes are saved, we will then go up to here to home, click close and load, and here we have our new clean data. This was a very, very simple example of how you can automate these boring tasks in Excel with Power Query. However, Power Query is capable of so much more, and especially when you're working with large data sets with over 100,000, over 1 million rows, this is one of the best ways to clean your data efficiently so that you don't spend more time than you need to in Excel, working with formulas, which ultimately slow down your file overall. And then this is much more compatible with importing your data into Power BI, which also has the same functionality of Power Query. Thank you for watching, and follow Collectiv on LinkedIn and YouTube for more videos from me and the team. Thank you, and see you later.